We are Pentair, and now is the time to rule the pool. How will we help you do it? By being us, by showing up as leaders for you, and by delivering eye-popping illumination, magic-making technology, awe-inspiring energy efficiency, time-freeing connectivity to help people more sustainably enjoy water. Now is our time to catapult our customers' businesses to new heights. Because when we do what we do best, when we come together as educators, leaders, innovators, everyone can rule the pool. Our customers, by stocking their shelves with industry-leading quality, next-level technology, and with support to sell it all with confidence, so that their customers can effortlessly enjoy big air cannonballs. Filled floats, refreshing, worry-free dips. No one else can say it, because no one else is Pentair. And say it we will. With our commitment, our quality, and our expertise leading the way to simple, easier, splashier pool experiences. Exactly what our customers expect from us. So for them, for us, for our legacy of being the leader, let's jump in together and rule the pool with Pentair.